The GE Universal Remote 3-device version simplifies control of your home entertainment system. The most reliable programming method is direct code entry, which uses specific codes for each device brand. Step 1. Turn on the device you want to control, such as your TV, DVD player, or cable box. Make sure the device is powered on and ready to receive commands. Step 2. Locate the code list that came with your remote. This list contains specific codes for different brands and device types. Each brand may have multiple codes to try. Step 3. Press and hold the Setup button on your remote until the red indicator light turns on, then release it. This puts the remote into programming mode. Step 4. Press and release the device button you want to program. Choose TV, DVD, CBL for cable, or aux for auxiliary devices. The red light will blink once and remain on. Step 5. Enter the 3, 4, or 5-digit code for your device using the number buttons. The indicator light should turn off after entering the correct number of digits. Step 6. Aim the remote at your device and press the power button. If the device turns off, congratulations. The code is correct and your remote is programmed. If the device doesn't respond, try the next code listed for your brand. Remember to try all codes listed for your device brand if the first one doesn't work. Each brand may have multiple codes, so be patient and work through the list systematically. If none of the direct codes work, you can use the auto code search method as an alternative. When direct code entry doesn't work, the auto code search feature automatically finds the correct code for your device. This method tests all available codes until it finds one that works. First, turn on the device you want to program. Then press and hold the Setup button until the red indicator light turns on, then release it. Press and release the appropriate device button, TV, DVD, CBL, or aux. The red light will blink once and remain on. Point the remote at your device and press the power button for TVs or the play button for DVD players and VCRs. The remote will start searching automatically. When the device turns off, manually turn it back on, then press volume up to test. If it works, press the same device button to save the code. If you're still having issues, here are the most important troubleshooting tips to get your remote working properly. Always start with fresh batteries. Weak batteries are the most common cause of remote control problems. Use high-quality alkaline batteries for best results. Ensure there are no obstructions between the remote and your device. The infrared signal needs a clear line of sight to work properly. Verify device compatibility. Not all devices work with universal remotes, especially newer streaming devices that use RF signals instead of infrared. If problems persist, you may need to reset your remote. There are two types of resets: basic reset and factory reset. For a basic reset, remove the batteries and hold any button for 10 to 30 seconds, then reinsert the batteries. This clears temporary glitches. For a factory reset, hold the Setup button until the red light comes on, then press mute and 0. This erases all programmed codes and returns the remote to original settings. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most remote control issues. Remember to be patient during the auto code search process, as it may take several minutes to find the right code.